Are you a Google Chrome user? Are you using it on your Mac or your Windows PC or your Chromebook? Yes, I know it's true that many things are now done online with smartphones and tablets. But if you're using Google Chrome on one of these computers, I want to show you Google Chrome themes. Today, computers are workhorses used for almost everything. So if we're going to sit in front of one for long periods of time, we should try to make our view as pleasant as possible. As I've mentioned in other Google Chrome videos, there are tons of settings in Chrome, and we need to learn them so we can use them to our advantage. One of these settings is Chrome themes. When you open Google Chrome, do you see something nice like my lion? Or do you see the default plain and boring Chrome page? We get the themes by going to the three vertical dots in the upper right-hand corner of Chrome. When you hover your mouse there, you'll see Customize and Control Google Chrome. Click, and then on the menu which appears, choose Settings. In the left column of the Settings window, find and click on Appearance. Then on the right side, notice Themes. Click on the arrow and a browser window will open to the Chrome Web Store. Here you will find lots of themes. I'm going to show you some examples and how to use them. The first one we'll try is published by Chrome and is called Just Black. First, I click on it. Now I'm given a page to find information about the theme, and I can add it to Chrome. Once I do, notice the change at the top of the browser. I'll open the Home tab, and there you are, a nice black theme. Going back to Just Black, I'll click on Themes in the menu and scroll to find another theme. As you can see, there are lots of themes and they're divided into categories. Let's go under For Animal Lovers and find the one I was using at the beginning of this video. Again, I click on it and add it to Chrome. Going back to my Home tab, there's that majestic lion. But maybe you're into something else, so let's scroll for another, maybe some nice balloons. Again, we add it to Chrome. Or maybe you live in Florida like we do, and you'd like a nice beach scene. My final example is a really cute one for the Christmas season. After all this, suppose you want to go back to a theme you've already used. Once again, go to the themes and find the category. I'm going back to For Animal Lovers. You notice my original lion is not showing. I need to click on View All. When I do, there's my original lion and I click on it. Notice at the top of the page, there's a notification that it's been disabled. I just need to click Enable this item and bingo, I have my lion back. Finally, suppose you actually like boring and mundane and want to go back to the default theme. Just go to Themes and click Reset to Default. That's it for this video. Please leave your questions and comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.